Exercise number 3. Start. For nearly 200 years now, Indians have sailed to distant shores in search of employment and trade. Full stop. Many the forefathers of some of you settled where they worked. Full stop. The condition in the early days of migration were neither easy nor happy, but they worked hard and diligently. Some of them displayed their inherent entrepreneurship and established themselves in businesses. Early migrants were to went to Canada, America, and China, and wherever there was British colonial presence. Full stop. Over the year, the profile of migrants has changed. Full stop. We still provide skilled labor to the Gulf states and to other areas in the Middle East. But now a more important segment comprises of professionals, teachers, scientists, computer engineers and programmers, doctors, managers, bankers, and even gurus who are being acclaimed in areas of top management and creative thought. Full stop. Similarly, in trade and industry, many businessmen of Indian origin have developed entrepreneurial skills which their host countries are finding valuable to their economics. Full stop. We recognize and applaud these on their success. Full stop. I am particularly happy that some of those who have distinguished themselves in this regard are in our midst today. Full stop. Para. In the last 50 years, Indians have developed certain competitive advantages, include a large technical and scientific manpower base, fairly well developed infrastructure, a large network of banks, a well established capital market, and a good educational system. Full stop. India has always had a substantial private educational sector active in all areas of the economy. Full stop. A vibrant part of Indian initiative is manifested in the small scale sector. Full stop. This comprises thousands of small industrial units scattered around the country. Full stop. The Indian corporate sector is large and diversified with a mix of ownership in public, private and cooperative sectors and small, medium and large sized enterprises. Full stop. Our legal system is fair and just, and we have the advantage of being a part of the English speaking world. Full stop. These factors make India good destination. Full stop. We are all aware of the recent crises which have affected the economics of Southeast Asia and Russia. Full stop. Even Japan is facing difficulties. Full stop. At the same time, we may note the fact that our country remained by and large unaffected by these economic disturbances. Full stop. This speaks well of the our economy has developed over the years. Full stop. Despite being part of the globalization process, our fundamentals remained strong and helped us to stay on course and prevented any major macroeconomic imbalances. Full stop.